Hello, my name is Gabriel, and I will be showing you how to make fettucini alfredo carbonara. Okay, so first I will tell you all the ingredients and I'll show them to you next. So here is all the ingredients, and you just okay. So first, we have garlic, onion, shredded cheese, ham that are cut into square pieces, and bacon. And then we have evaporated milk in a can opener, Italian seasoning, and garlic powder. And all the seasonings over there. Okay, so the materials are the cheese grater, a pot, a spatula, a strainer, a knife, and a chopping board. So now we're going to start cooking. So the first step is that you have to get a pot, put water, and then you have to put oil and salt in it, and then boil it on medium heat. So I already put water, so I'm just going to put it on my then you need to put it on medium heat. Okay. Wait for it to boil. Okay, so now we're going to put the oil and salt in it. Okay. Then we put the salt. So then we have to wait for it to boil so we can put the pasta in it. So while we wait for the water to boil, let's go and make the sauce. Okay, so first you need to put it to a medium heat on here, and then you're going to add some oil. Okay, so if it's hot enough, you're going to have to put the garlic. Then you're going to have to mix it up until golden brown. When the garlic starts to look golden brown, you're going to go and put the onion in. Then you're going to mix it up again. Okay, so then you can put the ham in now. Then mix it up again. Now we're ready to put the bacon. now since the water is boiling, we're going to add in the pasta. Now we're just going to set this together. Okay, so while we wait for your pasta to soften, we're just going to keep on mixing until the bacon is cooked. So now, we're just going to open this, open your evaporated milk with a can opener, and then when you add it, and if it's not enough, you're going to add your second one, okay? Okay, so for me, it's not enough, so I'm going to add the other pan. So now your pasta is getting ready, so you can just mix it so it won't stick together. So make sure no pasta sticks on the bottom of the pan. So now, when you mix it and you think it's ready, you're going to go and add your cheese. Then you're going to stir it. Now I'm going to add all seasoning. And I'm going to mix it again. So now, you're going to add a little bit of garlic powder. Oh, shoot. Okay. Now you're going to mix it. Then you're going to put some Italian seasoning, half. Then you're going to put half a teaspoon amount of Italian seasoning. And we're just going to keep on mixing. So now the sauce is ready, then you're going to have to turn it off. And the pasta is almost ready too. So now the pasta is ready, but since the pot is too heavy for me, my mom is going to help me strain the pasta. Oh yeah, now we need to turn it off. What? So now we're just gonna mix it with cold water so it won't stick together. So now we're gonna add the sauce onto our pasta. So now if you want, you can put a bit more Italian seasoning on top. Now it's time to eat.